Hello friends, my name is Varshka and today we are gonna make this beautiful wall hanging which you can use to decorate your home. As you can see in the video itself, I have placed it at the two ends of my mom's and dad's door. So this is an easy way to decorate your home and this is 100% guarantee that I have made and any child can make. So let's start. So first we are using paper which was soaked in water, and then I am adding to it turmeric powder with Fevicol. There's a quantity you have to add approximately, and then we have to mix it well. We have to make sure that the papers are fully combined with the mixture and they are fully dissolved like. And this I made, and this should have no cracks in it. Otherwise, while we paint, these cracks will be seen all over the face. Like this, we have to shape it well. Make sure for all the pieces you have to shape the same size. You can either use 6 or you can either use 8. And this I'm making it, I'm decorating it. I've even made some bells and some beads. You would have seen it in the starting. So these are Rajasthani figures, so I'm decorating this in this way. So you can use any type of figures, like whatever you like, or you can even use or even make cartoons kind of that can give grace to your home. Like it's your wish, it's totally up to you. And this the woman, so it's totally up to your imagination how you want to make it. So I'm just gonna finish it, and then also you have to make bell and bead for each string. So this I've made it, and then we have to pin these. So as we all know, skin color is for the base color, and the rest we have to know that which all color we use. Like, so this has to be a combination, like a piece of means some attractive pairs of colors which can give grace. And then I've adding a pinch of yellow color to the face so that it looks just like a skin color. It's totally up to you. You can do even skin. And then this green color dupatta, we have to paint it. You can even take help of the elder if you think you are not good at painting, and if you think that you aren't good, then you can give it a try. Why not? So in the man, I've done the purple color as matching to the green one. The hairs are black. If you are making a foreign look kind of, then you can take or use brown color or golden color, or if you are depicting someone, you can use that. And this, then these bells along with the beads. So I'm just gonna add it in the jute. I've doubled the jute. Then we have to make it like this. Then we have to use each of the face to paste to the jute with the help of a shilpka. And you have to make sure that the faces are straight. You might paste them opposite, vertically opposite. So make sure you pasting them in the right direction. Apply very much Fevicol and apply it on these equal distances, because if you apply on unequal distances, then it will look something not neat, we can say. And then this is just gonna be ready. I am using 4 and I'm using like alternate one man and one woman. So we have to paste it in such a way. So these are ready. I'm showing you once again. These are looking very beautiful, and as I've already told, you can use this to decorate your home or even to gift it to someone, or you can use these faces to make any cards or something like that. So if you like my video, please click on the like button, share my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.